Hi again, this is Rick with AmazingAccuracy.com, and today is May 15, 2019. It's currently 10:06 p.m. Chicago time. We're taking a look at the SP 500 daily chart at the moment. I wanted to kind of show you a couple of things and then what I expect to happen in the short term. Now, as you can see, these red diamonds, if you've been watching any of my videos, you would know that these represent FDates. And because this is a daily chart, you can see the little D way up here, right next to the name of the market, the S&P 500. It's set on daily, so these would be daily F dates. And the last daily F date, you can see marked that short swing top there. Coming down here, we can see we had a swing top here, and we had a swing top here. So this was the last swing top for a sale, and you can come all the way down to here. Now, as you can see, we're down here, and I'm going to trigger the oversold, overbought zones here. When it went finally into the oversold, you can see this low right here for May 14th, which is within 1 day of this $ F date you see right here. We can see that prices have now bounced up, and this $ here usually indicates that it's a very strong probability for a turn, and we can see we already gotten the turn. So it's turning up, as you can see right here. So both these last two have done a great job in forecasting what the market was going to do. Then we come over to the weekly chart of the S&P 500, and you can see that as prices went up and made this top here during week ending May 3rd, we had nailed that right on with our weekly F date. Again, we see these red diamonds, but now because this is a weekly chart, these represent weekly turns, and we can see that the last F date here was a weekly F date, and it nailed the very top. Then you can see that the next weekly F date is already 2 weeks afterwards, and we can see the low was formed in this oversold zone, and it's already now closing way up above it. And so we are expecting this to form a weekly swing bottom. What does that mean? We expect weekly prices to go up, and that way it will confirm this low as a weekly swing bottom. And for those who are not familiar with that terminology, weekly swing bottoms look like this down here, look like this right here, and look like this right here. This is where you have a new lower low, and then it's followed by higher price bars to follow. And that's what we expect here. So look for the S&P 500 to likely be rising for the next week or so as we move towards the next weekly update, which is currently not showing here. But this is what we have right now, so that is what we're expecting to occur. But fortunately, we can see what has occurred, the top, and now we're expecting this to be a bottom. And so expect the prices to move up. All right, well, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click that notification bell so that you will be informed on a timely basis for these forecasting videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.